Hello, dear students and teachers and parents. My name is Ed and this is my mom.
Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today we'll be talking about artificial intelligence. So, the first topic is about the definition of AI. What is the definition of AI? AI is a field of computer science that can create intelligent things and can solve complex problems. The second topic is about the history of AI. What is the history of AI? The first one was in 1950, concept inception Stirling Talks. The second one was also in 1950, but it was artificial intelligence going at Dartmouth conference.
In 1970s or 1980s, AI went into dual limited and computer vision computing powers. In 1990s for 2000s, growth fueled by big data and new algorithms. In 2010, present deep learning and computer vision revolution.
The third topic is about the benefits of AI. What is the benefits of AI? The first one is scientific research, drug discovery, accelerating chemicals, compound analysis. The second one is moon exploration, getting data from the telescopes. The third one is quantum computing, getting quantum from the computers.
Second one, art and creativity. First one, generative AI, creating image, music, culture, and films. Second one, film special effect, faster and cheaper visually effect production. Third one, voice transformation, deeping and voice modification in media.
The third one is the personal development, mental wellness coaching, AI companies for mental health support. The second one is skill development tracking, communication skills enhancement identifying. The third one is weakness and suggest training, improving interpersonal abilities.
Types of AI.
The first one is narrow AI by capability, narrow AI, specialized in specific tasks like ChatGPT, artificial general intelligence, human-like reasoning, but that's not achieved.
Second one, artificial superintelligence, surpasses humans' intelligence theoretically.
The second one is AI by technique,
Machine learning,
deep learning,
reinforcement learning.
The next one is key component. The first one is data large databases,
Algorithms, mathematical rules for learning,
computing power, powerful processes for training. The next one is the creation process, data collection,
data cleaning,
model training,
testing,
and deployment. So the next slide is about the definition of these key creations. The first one is data collection, is the process of gathering information from different types of searching.
Second one, data cleaning, is a process of finding and fixing or removing errors.
The third one is model training, is process of teaching a machine or a system to work properly, do not make any mistakes incorrectly.
Fourth one, testing, is a checking something to make sure it works correctly or not.
The fifth one is deployment, is the process of making a system into world-time use. The next one is annual AI industry revenue. In 2023, approximately 20 billion was collected. In 2025, approximately 500 billion was collected. In 2030, they are believing that 1.5 trillion is going to be collected.
Second one, leading companies. Microsoft earned $50 billion, Google earned $40 billion, and Amazon earned $35 billion, and Meta earned $20 billion.
So, me and Alan created an ad for the school, so here was the video.
So, thank you for listening and watching.